Okay, come here. This my third video of Indices grade 9. We learned there are 5 rules of Indices of the last 2 videos, and I work more questions. What is rule number 1 of Indices? The bases are same when multiple at the power. Second rule, bases are same when divide, subtract the power. You work questions in there. Third rule of Indices, power negative comes. If any power negative comes, let's we work last second video. To remove the negative, we say 1 over form, 1 over. And rule number 4, power 0 of any number is 1. Last rule, power of a power multiple. Can refer those newcomers. Stop this, refer the previous 2 videos and come back to this. For the newcomers, please subscribe and press the bell sign. Then you'll receive automatically all these my grade 9 lessons through this YouTube channel. Okay, when we work the first exercise, bases are same when multiple at the power problem. I complete all question. There's a problem at last. I'll show today that problem. What the question says, go to your book problem C, your grade 9 book question. They ask, this equation is given. What is the A value is satisfy this equation. Find the A value which is satisfy the equation. Also they ask, what are the A values which are not satisfy the equation. So actually there is no such equation satisfy, because when multiple comes only at the power, bases are equal, multiple comes only at the power. So addition comes, we won't use that rule. Multiple only we have rule, multiple, divide only we have the rule, right? But see why they ask this question. If you put which value, if A is 1, see A is 1. If A is 1, what happened? If A is 1, what happened? 1 square plus 1 power 3 equal 1 to the power 5. Okay, so 1 square is 1, 1 multiple 1 is 1. 1 multiple any times is 1. Here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 equal 1. Which is not satisfied. So they ask some values which is not satisfied. So A is 1. A1 not satisfied. See another one, A is 2. If A equal 2. See what happened if A is 2 here, check. 2 square plus 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 5. Check this, is it correct? Is it true? Check that. 2 square mean what? 2 multiple to 4. 2 to the power 3 means what? 8. 2 multiple 5 times, don't say 10. 2 times to 4, 8, 16, 32. 32. Is it true? 4 plus 8, 32. No, wrong. Therefore, they are like that. Many values are not satisfied. So they ask that A is 1, A is 2, put A for 3, A for 4. So those are not satisfied, right? What is satisfied value? You can't put A for 0. Here 0, here 0, here also 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Therefore, A is 0, only satisfy value, right? Okay, I'll show some more. We work last second video 12.3. I complete the 2 big exercise. Now I show that this one, equation number 3, problems involving number 3. That is, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following problem, right? Okay, see this is how I am explaining this, then you can work this important lesson. In this is important chapter till your O levels and year after advanced maths. We need this this rules of logarithm indices you have to use in the future. Okay, so what this rule 3 says, power comes minus, you say 1 over So 1 over 2 square. Now no minus. So what the answer? They ask evaluate means find the value, number value. 2 square is 4. That's the answer, right? Same here. Minus comes up, reciprocal, right down. The minus comes down, right up. 4 to the power 2. Now no minus, right? What is 4 to the power 2? 4 multiple 4. Don't say 8, 16. You can work like this. Here 2 to the power minus 7. Remove the minus 1 over 2 to the power 7. What is that? 1 over multiple 2 7 times 128. 2 into 2 into like that multiple, right? This is the method the question here says. Now next question. So here we are studying the rule only for the negative power, not for the base. See here, A is what? A is positive or negative, no matter. That is independent. Power only important, condition for power. So here minus 4, no problem, right? Remove the minus 3 to positive. 1 over minus 4 power 3. Now no minus 3, right? Therefore 1 over, what is minus 4 to the power 3 means what? Minus 4 multiple minus 4 multiple minus 4. Or otherwise the answer is what? Minus 64. Minus into minus comes 3 times, answer is minus 4 into 4 multiple 64. See more questions. You can try this. Stop the video. Try yourself. Pause the video. Okay. You can forward this my video for anyone, not only for our school students or my class students, and your relations, colleague, or classmates, sisters, brothers, wherever. Forward it. They can study this simply method how to solve indices ideas. Here 3 to the minus 2, so remove the minus 2. 1 over 3 square. Connect the minus 2 to positive. 1 over 9. 1 over 9. Here what happened? This minus 2 to be removable to positive. Above is okay, so this is okay. Below only minus. So what? 5. So as I mentioned many times, a minus comes below as a power, right up. You put a multiple. This up. 5 square. 5 square, no minus. So 5 into, what is 5 square? 25. Multiple 125. That's the idea, right? Next one, 10 to the power minus 3. Remove the negative to positive. 1 over 10 to the power 3. Now no minus. So what is that? 1 over, don't say 30. Not 10 times 3. 10 multiple 3 times 10 into 10,000. Next, evaluate, change the negative power to positive and find the answer. So therefore it's below power negative, right up. If it's up, right below. So 4 square below 3 square, no minus here. But it's 4 square 16, 3 square 9. This above is bigger than below. Therefore better give the mixed fraction form. 9, 16, 9 ones, balance 7, right? Okay, the last exercise on this rule, last exercise. Simplify and write the answer with positive integers. Simplify and show the answer as positive integers. The main idea, remove the negative to positive. So what the first question? So we can use the first rule also. Base are same when multiple add the power first. A to the power minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Rule number 1 I apply. And now use the rule number 3. Negative power, then 1 over. 1 over a to the power 5. 1 over a to the power 5. And come this one. Use the first rule and come to the other rule. Bases are same when multiple add the power. So a to the power 2 minus 3. What is 2 minus 3 minus 1? But show the negative to positive, that is 1 over a. 1, power 1. A means power 1. You can follow various methods, right? But final answer positive index form. Here, same idea. Bases are same, multiplication, add the power, what is a to the power? Plus 2 minus 8, minus 6, okay? Below a to the power minus 5. Now change the negative to positive. You can write the below one up, above one below. Or otherwise, see, I applied the second rule also. Pause the video, stop the video, check your the previous video notes, check your exercise book and see how we apply this second rule. Bases are same, division comes, subtract the power. So a to the power minus 6, subtract minus 5. So what is that? A to the power minus 6 minus minus plus 5, that is a to the power minus 1, minus 6 plus 5 minus 1. Now power is negative, remove to positive. The answer 1 over a. Any method you can apply, answer is 1 over a. Work this, you work with me, you have to work with me, keep a proper notebook and work many questions. In mathematics means problems. You have to work all the questions, you can't neglect anything. Then only you can become one day a genius in mathematics. If you work maths properly, you have good knowledge in maths, automatically you can work science or any other history, geography, whatever, everything very neat, very clear. If you work properly the maths. So this one. Here 2 and 3, multiple normal method, 2 multiple 3, 6. And bases are same, a multiple, add the power. What is minus 4 plus 2? Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2 is it? Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Therefore we have the answer negative for a. The rule says don't show negative power, remove the negative to positive. The answer 6 over A square. Now no minus, right? A square. Next one. Give the positive x power. You can multiple. 2 multiple 4, that is ordinary method. You know, 2 times 4, 12. 3 times 4, 12. Totally, what is the x power? Bases are equal, x. When multiplication, add the power. So minus 4, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. So what the answer finally? 12. Negative power, remove to positive, right below. So which is negative power, that only come down. Don't take the 12 down, x only down, right? Next question. Simplify. You got this 5, 10 divided by 5, 2, ordinary method. 2. Then I change this x value up and I change this minus comes here down. So therefore 2 below x square. This minus take down. So x to the power 5. So better put a multiplication. Study how to write properly. Symbols are how. Multiplication. So the answer 2 over, bases are same, multiple at the power, x to the power 7. That's the positive index form. Next question. Divide using multiple and dividing. If any numbers come, your ordinary method, simplify the number. Now cut the 2. 2. 4 divided by 2, 2, right? So how the x parts? Bases are same, multiple at the power. Use the first rule. Or take down, no matter. X to the power minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Over x square. Now negative to positive rule. 2 take down. Already x square available. Take the minus 8 down. Put a multiple. It's the power 10. Don't say 16. Bases are addition, not bases multiple. Powers are addition, bases are same, powers are addition. Next, last on that, 2p completely minus 2 multiple 2p power 3 over 2p to the power 4. So simplify, give completely how many 2p base, 2p as a base. Here 2p, here 2p, here 2p. So think the base is 2p, right? Therefore, just to use this one, bases are same. Bases are same. 2p to the power, add the powers. Here 3, here minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, 1. Below 2p power 4. Now use the second rule of indices, dividing rule. Dividing rule of indices. The bases are same. When divide, subtract the power. See here, the below the largest power, right? 4 is the bigger number than 1. Therefore, then you subtract 4 minus 1. So here the answer is 1 over 2p to the power what? 4 minus 1, 3. Here that is enough. Further we can simplify. Let's become the other rules. Later I show how to get this answer. Otherwise I can write that. What's the answer? 1 over 2p completely power 3. What do you mean? 2p multiple 2p multiple 2p. So 2 multiple 3 times 8. P 3 times PQ is the final answer. In exam papers, they're expecting till last is the answer. Okay, then we will see next exercise also. There are the problems shown in the book type by type. First rule, first exercise. Second rule, second exercise. Third rule, and so on, right? So the other problem, simplify the following expressions. That is 12.4. Simplify the following expressions. First one, x to the power 4. That's 8, x to the power 8. Divide by x to the power 8. So there is second rule. But this comes the fourth rule, we'll see. Bases are same, bases are same. When divide, subtract the power. 8 minus 8. 0. What is power 0? Is 1. Any power 0 is equal to 1. P power 4. P base is 2p, powers are minus 4 plus 4, same idea. So what is that? 2p base is same at the power. 4 minus 4, 0. Therefore answer is 1. Okay. Simplify and get the answer. Most of these questions comes 0 answer. That means power 0 means answer comes 1. The every exercise build up like that. So here bases are same at the power. 2 plus 3, 5. Bases are same at the power. 1 here 1. 1 and 4, 5. Now follow the second rule, division rule. At the power 5 divide by 5, subtract the power. Subtract the power. Bases are same. When divide, subtract the power. Answer is 1. Next problem 4. X to the power 4. Y to the power 4. Find the y answer. Bases same, multiple at the power. Below this, over there. Y to the power 6. Y to the power 6. So y to the power 6 minus 6, 0. 1. Bases are same. When divide, subtract the power. So all this type is shown the 1. Fifth one, PQ multiple PQ multiple P over P power 6 into P to the power 3. So what? Bases are same at the power 7. 3, 3, 6 and 1, 7. Is it? 3 and 5, that's 5, right? 5. So 9 below 9. So fill the power, 9 minus 0, answer is 1. So here use the rule and get it. Later you know 10 divided by 10 is 1, 8 divided by 8 is 1. Then we can cut this, the answer is 1 later. But here following the rule is the idea. You can work same idea. So next video I complete this lesson successfully. So keep in touch. You work all, take the exercise because we complete first video, all the rules. So try your own. Mostly next video I can show all the brief solution for the remaining exercise and to under topics.